In the heart of the Nilgiri Hills, nestled within the breathtaking Ketti Valley, stands an institution shaped by time, tradition, and purpose. Welcome to the Laidlaw Memorial School and Junior College. Established in 1914 by Reverend John Breeden with the generous endowment of Scottish philanthropist Sir Robert Laidlaw, the school was founded with a vision to create a residential learning environment that nurtures not just academic excellence but character, independence, and community living. What began as a modest boarding school soon evolved into a remarkable educational institution serving generations of students from across India and around the world. In 1922, the school found its permanent home here in Ketti, where the serene climate, rolling hills and open landscapes offered the perfect setting for a fully residential campus. Often called the Switzerland of South India, this valley provides more than just scenic beauty. It offers space to learn, space to grow, and space to discover one's true potential. Spread across over 224 acres, the Laidlaw Memorial School and Junior College is designed as a self-contained residential community where academics, sports, community life, and personal growth come together seamlessly. Affiliated with the Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations, the school offers ICSE and ISC curricula, with English as the primary medium of instruction.
At Laidlaw, learning extends beyond the classroom into a vibrant residential life that shapes independence, responsibility, and lifelong friendships. As a fully residential boarding school, students live in thoughtfully designed hostel houses, each fostering a strong sense of community, belonging, and care. Every hostel is supervised by dedicated house parents and staff, ensuring a safe, supportive, and structured environment where students grow both academically and personally. The residential system encourages self-discipline, teamwork, and leadership while nurturing a home-away-from-home atmosphere within the campus. Comfortable living spaces, organized routines, and shared experiences create a balanced lifestyle that supports the holistic development of every student. At the heart of this residential experience is the dining hall, where the entire community gathers each day. Spacious, well-organized, and efficiently managed, the dining hall reflects the spirit of togetherness that defines life at Laidlaw. Meals are carefully planned to provide balanced nutrition, supporting the health and well-being of growing students. A variety of wholesome vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes are served, combining taste, nutrition, and quality. Fresh ingredients, hygienic preparation, and structured meal timings ensure students enjoy healthy and satisfying food every day. More than just meals, the dining hall becomes a place for interaction, bonding, and shared moments, strengthening friendships and community life. At Laidlaw, residential living, care, and nourishment come together to create an environment where students truly feel at home.
beyond classrooms, Laidlaw is built on a deeper philosophy, a belief in independence, responsibility, and character formation. A belief captured in its enduring motto, self-reliance. For over a century, Laidlaw has remained more than just a school. It is a home, a tradition, and a journey of transformation. Welcome to Life at Laidlaw. Academic life at Laidlaw is supported by a well-structured learning environment designed to inspire curiosity, creativity, and independent thinking. The computer labs offer students access to modern technology and digital learning tools. Structured computer education enhances technological skills, research abilities, and digital literacy essential for the future. Students are introduced to coding, problem solving, and creative digital applications in a supervised and well-equipped environment. The library encourages independent learning, research, and exploration across subjects, supporting both academic growth and personal development. Together, classrooms, laboratories, technology spaces, and the library create a dynamic academic ecosystem that prepares students for excellence and lifelong learning. Beyond regular lessons, students are encouraged to develop strong reading habits that nurture imagination, knowledge, and critical thinking. Quiet study spaces and guided reading sessions help students cultivate discipline and a lifelong love for learning. Science education at Laidlaw is strengthened through fully equipped laboratories for physics, chemistry, and biology, where students explore concepts through practical experimentation and hands-on learning. These laboratories provide opportunities for observation, analysis, and discovery, helping students connect theory with real-world understanding. The robotics lab further expands innovation and technical learning. Here, students engage in hands-on projects, design thinking, and collaborative problem solving, encouraging creativity and engineering skills from an early age. At the center of academic enrichment is the school library, a quiet and inspiring space filled with a wide collection of books, reference materials, and academic resources. Classrooms are spacious, well-lit, and designed to provide a comfortable atmosphere for focused learning. Modern teaching methods, interactive sessions, and student engagement form the foundation of everyday academic experiences. Student health and well-being are a top priority at Laidlaw, supported by a dedicated on-campus medical facility that provides round-the-clock care. The school hospital is equipped to handle routine medical needs, minor emergencies, and ongoing health monitoring within the campus itself. Comfortable beds and well-maintained observation rooms allow students to rest and recover in a calm and caring environment.
The modern gym is equipped with the latest fitness equipment, providing students with opportunities to build strength, endurance, and overall physical well-being in a safe and supervised environment. With contemporary workout machines, free weights, and guided training support, students are encouraged to develop healthy fitness habits and active lifestyles. Skating facilities offer a dynamic space where students develop balance, coordination, and confidence while engaging in an exciting sport. The skating area supports both beginners and experienced students, promoting skill development in a safe and structured environment. The expansive playgrounds across the campus provide ample space for outdoor games, athletics, and recreational activities. These open fields encourage teamwork, sportsmanship, and active participation in daily physical activities. The campus also features an international standard badminton court designed for professional training and competitive play. Students benefit from high-quality infrastructure that supports skill development, practice sessions, and competitions. Sports facilities at Laidlaw are designed to support a wide range of indoor and outdoor activities, encouraging students to explore their talents and interests. Golf coaching is another unique offering at Laidlaw, introducing students to a sport that develops focus, precision, and patience. With dedicated coaching and a serene environment, students gain exposure to golf while learning valuable skills that extend beyond the game.
Karate coaching provides students with structured training that builds discipline, confidence, and self-defense skills. Guided by trained instructors, students develop focus, physical coordination, and mental strength. Bharatnatyam dance training introduces students to the richness of classical Indian art and cultural expression. Through regular practice, students learn grace, rhythm, and tradition while developing confidence in performance. Dramatics and theatre activities offer students a platform to express creativity, communication, and storytelling.